Good morning, everyone. I feel like we haven't done a vlog for a little while. I don't know why. I've been super busy. My husband and I, we have been working on a product that we are launching. It has nothing to do with my channel or anything like that. We have a couple businesses outside of obviously here on YouTube. Anyways, we've been working on launching a product which is live on Kickstarter. We just launched it yesterday. I will link it down below in case any of you guys want to check it out and kind of see what it is and what it's all about. I think it's pretty slick. Anyway, so today we are going to be doing kind of a front door zhuzh. We're gonna just kind of be sprucing up my front door for fall. We're not gonna be doing anything crazy. I'm actually gonna keep this video pretty low key and laid back. I do wanna put up my new fall wreath, which I got from Amazon. If you guys watch my fall Amazon haul, this is the wreath that I shared. And at first I was kind of like, oh, do I like it? But anyways, I kind of, pulled it apart. Anyways, I put it on my front door, you guys, just to see how it looks. It looks killer. So we're gonna be putting this one up today. I also went to Costco and got some fall mums in the deep red. And I think those are gonna look really cute with the wreath, kind of tied all in together. But we're gonna keep it pretty simple. I also, you guys, over the weekend, I installed this Wuuk Smart Doorbell Pro Kit. This is from Amazon, and I've been dying to get just like a front door camera so I can, see who's at my front door. I've wanted to get one for the longest time. Never got around to it until now. But this one is from Amazon. It's by the brand Wuuk. I'm not gonna show you the app. Obviously it'll show like where I live and all that, and I don't really want to put that out here on YouTube. But this gives you an idea of what the app looks like. Once you install it, it's so easy. I did it myself. I was so proud. I did it all myself. It's so easy. It took me about maybe 10 minutes from unboxing it to like putting it up and everything. This is an easy home security solution for everyone. It does support the iOS. Got a little bug. It does support the iOS and the Android phones. What I like about it is that there's no monthly fee compared to some other smart doorbell brands. So I like that there was no monthly fee to it. It does have 2K resolution. The view on my app is so clear and it's super easy to use. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this, and I'll show you guys how it looks on the front door camera as well. So I did go to Costco this morning. I picked up some fall mums. I have these beautiful black pots which my husband is gonna help me bring out. And then I think a little later my husband and I are gonna go. I'm hoping we're gonna go to one of my favorite stores, Sun River Gardens. It's in Orem here in Utah. We're gonna do a little decorating for my front porch. And also I wanna show you guys the pumpkins that are like taking over my backyard. Also, I do need some advice. on my tomato plants. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys to the backyard real quick, and then after we will start putting together my front porch. Okay, you guys, the tomatoes have taken over this garden bed. I don't know what I should do to help support them. If you guys have any advice, or if anybody gardens and has worked with tomato plants that are this large, please let me know. These are the sun gold tomatoes, the cherry ones. These have just turned out amazing. I have some ones that are actually ready to pick. But I have eaten these pretty often. We throw them in our salads. I also put them in like our egg whites for breakfast. This plant right here, we have three tomato plants actually. These are the Roman tomatoes, which are finally starting to grow. And then we also have the beef steak ones, which we have a pretty little one right there. And these ones have taken forever. I still haven't gotten any ready to eat tomatoes out, but they're growing nice and slow. So anyways, I'm not quite sure what to do or how to support this. We do have some strawberries right in there. We got one big guy growing. The strawberries have actually been doing super well, but you guys, these pumpkins are like, you can't even see my garden beds. They're for sure taking over. We've picked 3 pumpkins so far, which are on my kitchen island, and it was so fun to like watch the kids pick a pumpkin and put it in the kitchen. But yeah, you can see like they are just growing crazy, nice and healthy. I haven't seen any other, got lots of blooms in there, but I haven't seen any other pumpkins yet. We do have 1 pumpkin in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have 1 in there. And then these vines in the back actually started to grow under the fence. So we have 1 pumpkin that's growing on the other side. Yeah, so I think next time I definitely am not going to grow pumpkins in my garden beds. They just take over. So I think I would probably maybe plant them on like the side of the house and then let them kind of grow and do their thing, because I think they're just feeling a little restricted. But yeah, our flowers are still here. This plant is the one I actually had in my girls' room, and it just wasn't thriving as well. So I actually decided to plant it outside. It died at first, and then it came back big and beautiful, and it's so fun to see it like thrive. So the pumpkins are kind of blocking the sun. But anyways, I think it's such a fun plant. So anyways, let me know if you guys have any suggestions on what to do with these tomato plants. Like this is, I mean, it goes all the way up to like my waist. I don't even know. I gotta figure out some support. I originally had these ones right here, but they're just not, I mean, it's not supporting anymore. I mean, barely. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out. Okay, so for my front door, I think I just want to freshen this space up just a little bit. I have these pots which have been amazing during like the spring and the summer. These were such a great idea. I'm going to do this every year. This is now like a staple. They turned out great. They looked great even from the street view. So I think I'm just going to kind of put these away. Then I think I'm going to bring out maybe some of my bigger black pots, and then we'll go and find some, I don't know, maybe some like red or yellow flowers. And I think it will look really cute. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so these are the black pots. I actually got these. Thanks, babe. They're really heavy.
I got you.
These are the black pots. I actually got these from Home Goods probably last summer. They were a different color. They were that orange terracotta. I think I'm actually gonna use these by my front door, and then I'm gonna go to Costco today and we'll see if we can find some of those really beautiful fall plants.